Guys, so this is what I have received today from Abby Beauty and Bubbles, a lovely voucher, and along with that I've got this lovely package from them as well, which includes beautiful products for your hair. This is basically Jean Paul's products. So I have a Hatha Dream shampoo here. I have a blueberry mask. By the way, this smells really amazing. And then this one is a deep conditioner, which is basically Hatha conditioner. So I'm going to open this up. And by the way, I'm not suggesting things just like that. I have personally used these products, which is why I'm telling you that they are incredible. Alright, so let me open this up. The packaging was quite easy. Alright, so this is what I've used. The shampoo, you apply this first, put it on for like 15-20 minutes, and after you're done with this, next you can go ahead and wash and put in the deep conditioner as well. This sits in your hair for 20 minutes, not this one. And then you use a toner after, just to maintain the color of your hair. This has to be used every 20 days once, and I must say that this smells gorgeous. Alright, so in short, after using these products, I definitely felt a sense of rejuvenation, because my hair was completely dead. It had no life in it, but I think after using these products, it made my hair a little more softer, gave it a little bit of volume, and it felt amazing, which is why I'm suggesting you guys these products. Like this one, for example, the Hatha Believe conditioner. It really softens your hair and strengthens it, and so does this. So guys, go ahead and purchase these lovely amazing products for your hair. So guys, since seeing is believing, here are some before and after shots. So go ahead and purchase these products, use it, and tell me how you felt after using these products. Leave your reviews and feedback in the comment section below. Till then, take care.